serious, y'all. You brown it first, then drop in a splash of cider vinegar. That's where the magic starts.
Wait, you're talking about a squirrel?
A big old fox squirrel. Tender as can be if you treat it right.
Lord have mercy.
People eat those? Apparently they do.
Now, you all know I don't turn my nose up at store-bought chicken, but a venison roast done right, that's a blessing.
You cure yours with coffee grounds, don't you, Dolores?
Mm-hmm. Coffee and a touch of molasses keeps it tender as a ham on Sunday morning. I'm telling y'all, venison stew will warm your bones better than any chili.
And if you grind it, makes the best meatballs, no lie.
All right, ladies, if we want Sunday supper and our freezer stocked, no one breathes a word to Baxter. Ever.
He asks a lot of questions. He can smell a lie from a mile.
Then we don't lie, we divert. Talk about the bake sale, the choir robes, anything.
And keep the meat in the back of my truck till nightfall.
Roadkill, roadkill, roadkill. It's the cheapest meat that you can find. And it always is people and sure is pleasing if you get through it on.